Tactics and the character's objective. Those are two of the most important things, in my opinion, that any beginning actor should work towards. So, a little bit about me, and I'll make this as quick as possible. I've worked with HBO. I've studied under 4 different acting professors over the last 3 years who has been in the industry for over 40 plus years. I've been in a couple feature films. I've done a plethora of different short films. I've done theater quite a bit. I've done improv for over 20 plus years. I've even won 4 Best Actor awards for a short film that'll be releasing not in I want to say in a few months, along with a nomination for a 5th. But we were going up against a Stephen King short, which is which is not only cool, but I mean came out short, which is I mean that's life. The objective is what your character wants by the end of the scene. This can be almost anything, whether it be money, love, relationship. It could be literally anything. Every single scene in a given movie or TV show has an objective that the character wants to pursue. Now, depending on how well this video does, I can go into the super objective, different choices, inflection choices, etc. But we're going to focus on tactics and the objective because that's important. Once you figure out what the objective is for that given scene, let's just make something up real quick. You want to make sure that your buddy gives you money back that you lent him. So your buddy comes over and you're talking. The lines of dialogue is where your choice of tactics come in. Now, what I mean by tactics is how you say the given line. Let's say the tactic is to reassure. Hey, I'm glad you made it here safe. How was the traffic? Then later down the line, so I know everything is kind of iffy at the moment, but did you did you happen to know when you would be able to pay me back for that one thing that we did? I don't know if you could tell the kind of tone that I was going for right there. It was more of the kind of shy but trying to be assertive. That's a tactic. Now let's try the same kind of thing. Let's say you're upset at your buddy because he's being late for some reason, and you also have to pay for, like, let's say a bill. Let's choose the tactic of to be assertive. It'll change the way that you think about the certain line. Okay, let's say the tactic this time, and let's do a few different ones. Let's say the tactic is to be assertive. Your buddy walks in the room. You're upset with him because he's always late. So, when am I gonna get my money back? The tactic also changes in the facial. So yeah, tactics are just the way that you go about saying the certain lines to try to get what you want, because in every single scene, no matter what character is present on the screen, everybody wants something from one another. Now, I know this was very quick, and I hope it helped just a tiny bit. If this video does well, and you want more little insights or little tricks or whatever, go ahead and leave them down below. I'll try to figure out some other things to do. I've learned a ton of stuff over like the last 4-ish years of just studying everything. I can't remember exactly what is beginner friendly and what is on the more advanced level. Depending on what it is that I see that's wanted, I will think about doing. If this video helped, go ahead and give it a sub. Go ahead and give it a like. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.